What is chemistry? This is going to be a review of our Chapter 1 section in our chemistry book. Right before you take your test, we're going to go over every single thing that it is that you need to know about what chemistry is so that you are prepared for your test this week. What is matter? We have 3 states of matter that we can discover in our universe: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. They all transition from one form to another depending on the amount of heat that is either given to them or taken away. For example, solid has to melt in order to become a liquid, and a liquid has to freeze in order to become a solid. Every state of matter is made up of atoms. An atom is the smallest unit of mass that makes up the chemical elements. Every single element on the periodic table is considered to be an atom. When an element is an atom, it does not have a specific charge, so it is neither positive or negative. The periodic table is consisted of 118 different elements, all with different masses. Each element is categorized by groups and colors that define the types of metal or non-metal that it is. You can also identify the charge of each element based on their placement in their groups and their group number. Each element is housed inside an info box on the periodic table. In that box, you will find the element's abbreviation, known as its symbols in the middle, the atomic number at the top, and the atomic mass at the bottom. All 3 of these things make each element different from another. There are also what we call compounds. Compounds are made up of 2 or more elements bonding together to form a new substance. An example is water. Here we have a water molecule or a water compound. This is H2O. Oxygen is one element. You can find that in the middle, the red circle. And hydrogen is the other element. Those are the 2 white circles on opposite ends. This is a chart that is used to break down the differences between different forms of matter, helping you to determine whether or not they can be separated by physical or chemical means in order to determine if your substance is a mixture or it is a pure substance. And if it is a pure substance, no matter how you break it down, it will always be what it is. I hope this helped.